Hi guys, Rick here, and today guys we are back in another Trainz episode, which today we gonna have a scenario in Queensland, which is in Australia. Why not Australia? Because I go to Melbourne a few months ago, I guess. So yes, today we are gonna go and drive the Commuter Express V line. Australia, 7 AM in the morning, and your job is to bring the people to work. Starting in Paris, you are required to drive the whole line down and back, calling at every single station. Stay on time and good luck. There are some rumors that you are set a new train, so watch out. Bear in mind that this thing in the image is not the official train. We definitely know what the line is. I can show you. So a V line. I remember correctly, it's like right below. I think, as I believe so. Yeah, this one. Is like this train, Victorian Railway S class. I'm guessing it's the same engine as Australia. Maybe I think so. Should Honda here. Okay. We're gonna go and take that route, and let's go. 30 minutes, okay, let's go. Let's do this then. 30 minutes. Let's try it then. So it's 7 AM. When I bought this map, I kinda don't like it. Why? The map is so small. I'm not even kidding. But if you're asking me to do a big one, no. It barely has 1 hour. You guys do not like that. Our passengers are boarded. Let's go. KRL is using a test train, so watch out. You might see it. Okay. Shabash. Is it? I think this is what you call it in Japan. What? Shabash. And using the really common coach for them. Oh my god, I like how they actually put another head at the front and the back. That's so neat. That's right here. That's right here. This is what class? Second? Wait. This is sleeper. Why? Because it's F-E-F-E-E. It's like that. Yeah, sleeper is like that. Or not. Or maybe not a sleeper, because it's second class, I think. In Australia, maybe they call it that, but they're using English, so I don't know. So I have 8 stops. Let's go. We might saw a test train, so watch out. Oh look, it's a freight train. Hello. Is there... Okay, let me see. What the? I don't see any. Oh, there's a train called Ida. Oh, it's not a train. There's nothing. No. You said that that's supposed to be a new train, but no. F you, Trainz, you lied to me. You freaking lied to me. Oh, also, about Trainz. Okay, so how do I stop this? So, when I was about to actually buy some new trains, 3 new trains, which I'm not gonna spoil anything yet, but there are 2 British locomotives, steam locomotives, and 1 American. They're supposed to be free, but I only got enough money to buy 1 and 2 British. So yeah, when I'm about to buy the American one, it suddenly got glitched out as in the Rio Grande something, and I didn't buy it, and it suddenly glitched out when I was soft resetting the whole, and when I was just shutting down my iPad, pressing reset, not the whole reset button, just when the whole iPad just got blackout, and then press the button, we open, restarts. But it suddenly happened like this. After I opened the Trainz driver, everything I brought is completely gone. I am not kidding. Like Trainz said, "If you eat my money." Oh crap! You ate my money, and I am so panicking because like everything I bought is like I added all out count. They're all. Do you know how much is it? Do you know how much? Do you know how much that I used? How much money that I used in Trainz? Can you guys guess? Around like 200. I'm not even kidding. Like 200 to 300 around, or maybe 250. I don't know. Hong Kong dollars, so not American. If it's American dollars, I'm dead. Like I'm poor, I can't buy them because if you buy them in any country, there should be the price that you should be in. You know, like me using Apple Card and Hong Kong money. So I'm safe. And I just panic and I asked my dad like, "Oh crap, Dad, what should I do? What do I do? All my stuff is gone. Oh F, what do I do?" And then I used Twitter, YouTube, and Facebook just for tweeting back Trainz to help me, restore back the data. But wait. Are you the new train? Mr. Excella? Mr. Acela? You aren't supposed to be in Australia. If you are, it's supposed to be. The only one and only high-speed train in Australia is the XPT. Not you, Amtrak, not you. When did you throw away your freaking Amtrak train, eh? What the hell did you freaking get rid of the... Seriously, when the hell did you get rid of your freaking Amtrak train? What the hell?
Oh boy!
Yep, here it is. Still hear the horn from you, what the hell? I mean, like, and after a few minutes, it suddenly, and then when I was, there's a download menu, right? But until when the download menu is reopened again, everything starts to coming back up, and then like, oh my god, it's a miracle! Like, why are you here? I thought you're dead. Like, I need to buy them again. Like $200 to $300. I almost missed them. Thank goodness, that is a miracle. That I don't know why, but it suddenly just reappeared in front of my eyes. Holy crap! I swear, guys. I swear, Trainz said, dude, fix it. If you kinda worrying about some crap, just eating your money, dude, you do not want those customers like that, your players won't be happy, the players won't be happy. Except you make them new models with free, with a free price. So, except with a free price, I guess. Oh, by the way, on one of the maps, I actually got a V-line with the Orange Express, so if you guys want me to do that, leave it down below. Maybe I should do it because I will randomly do different routes because I'm not always scheduled to do what kind of routes I chose them. I choose them. What the hell what the hell should we play today? What the hell should we record today? Some kind of that stuff. As I believe so, somebody actually did have these problems. Like when you buy them, the thing is just still there, and then I was just panicking the hell, and I'm like, oh crap, just panicking movements, nothing special. I swear, when somebody always just buy that and suddenly all the things are gone, yeah, I'm really sorry, man. Oh, people, how's your life doing, eh? You're living in this good hotel. Is this hotel good? I want to live in it, but too bad this is completely empty. This is me giving about Trainz anyways. Speaking of which, actually, whoa, crap, I forgot what to talk. Oh, crucity. maybe maybe you guys, I'm not sure, but do you guys want me to do a British Rail scenario doing kind of thing? Because I would like to. Just tell me, guys. Just tell me, then I do it. I'll do it. No, that's the wrong button. No worries, guys. I'm not ending the bloody video. I'm not ending the bloody video. No worries. What's happened to the accelerator for these trains? Weird. There you go. Commuter train stopped it. Wait. Oh my god, the SL is coming. And are you saying that the Excella is the one and only high-speed train that Australia ordered? There's no way. Because the XPT is just completely a fake out of the freaking HST, yeah? I mean, I wish I can actually see it, but no, I didn't. When I was in Melbourne, I didn't saw it. I can't see it. That's so disappointing. But at least I saw the regional rail, the regional rail service. That's better. You know what? Yeah, maybe I should actually one day I should actually drive the Amtrak. Maybe I should drive the Acela, maybe. If you guys want me to drive the Acela, leave a comment below saying #Acela. That would be nice. Okay, you know what? Now, how about this? That says just don't #Acela. Yep, let's go. And I think, as I believe so, since the text didn't say anything about the new test train, as I believe so, the Amtrak is the one. Hello, Amtrak. Why will I always say the company name but not the train's name? What the hell? Holy crap, this train have a name, you know? Acela Express. And that's right, that must be the new test train. That must be. There's no way. There's no way that isn't. That is. That should be it. That should be it. This is actually the final stop, so that's the we can doing quick progress. But 8 stops. We only need 6 more. So hold on, let me count. 1 here, and then 2. Huh? And then you're saying that 3, 4, 5, 6. Are we? Oh my god! Are we doing a return trip? Oh, that maybe yes. That's why the game gave us 2 heads, because we went to do the return trip. Oh my god, we never. Oh my god, I never actually accepted that, because I never actually do this week at all. No joke. This is actually the first time that I'm doing it. This is actually the first time I'm actually doing this. No joke. This is actually a pretty little town. I mean, yeah, I have seen that Melbourne have a big neighborhood which tram always get to. Like the tram always just get in the middle of a street, rather than just I don't know, moving by how. But if the tram actually got a mode called silence mode, if it has even, hey, I highly suggest it. Which it does, you know. So when the tram just slowly, quietly go past the neighborhood, that was so nice. So everybody gonna sleep happily, and then just woke up, and then the tram will wake you up automatically, since if it's kind of annoying if you actually go wake up on a tram. So you know, grab your stuff, grab a suit, and go to work on a tram. That's neat. too bad Hong Kong doesn't have this thing because it's really less, you know, these just, you know, not so many of these private houses in the neighborhoods. Well, except us, since doing in new territory. I mean, I even saw a house like larger than this. Weird. What's the station called? What's the station called? Warrego. That's a weird impersonation. Wait. Is that the Melbourne Metro, Melbourne Metro train logo? No, next, the W covering the logo. Is it? I think so.
Oh boy!
Oh great. Let's go. So, make people to go on time, you know. You don't want to get late. I'm especially what the hell's this house? I've never seen this before. Never used it. I mean, dude, where can the people work? Like here? Is this a post office or something? And then also a workshop, maybe. I'm not sure. Few people always live in these kind of, live in these kind of places, you know. Oh my god, freight! How fast is the freight train going? Dude, that is not allowed. He's going 71. He's over the speed limit. He went up the speed limit. What the hell? Dude, that's ridiculous. I can't go full speed. You can go full speed, eh? I know. I never noticed that the brake fan is actually upgraded. I never knew that. Oh, no way. Are you saying? There's no way. And then the people actually just walk through the bridge, walk through the road, walk, at some gas stations or maybe 7-Elevens, maybe some what kind of shops there, what kind of houses there, or what kind of shops I don't even know. Well, butcher. Is butcher like saying chicken or something? I forgot. Hershey's Wool Cafe. Oh my god, I just remembered. Oh my, there's a souvenir shop here in the middle of nowhere. There's a souvenir shop. What the heck is it? Souvenir. Well, I think it's a souvenir. Maybe is it written in Australia? I don't know. Don't ask me. I got nothing. Oh my god, like Trainz, can you actually make the map even better, make longer and larger? Especially I want a map called East Coast mainland with the Alien Yard Class 91s, and also a West Coast mainland Pendolino. I needed that. Especially a GW livery, if you don't mind. Or maybe a ScotRail. Please, I need a ScotRail HST. I saw it in one of the Trainz trailer or gameplay, mini little gameplay, I guess, which is in House Junction. And maybe I should actually do that, but it's kind of boring. I'm not even. I swear, I tried out before. It's just so boring. But as well, it's British. I like it. I really don't get it why we need freaking pentagram, because most of the Australia trains doesn't even have pentagrams except the metro trains. Well, actually, I did, yeah. Like, what do you need to put the pentagram on? Only for the Amtrak seller? Or your new test train? Are you saying that you only do this for your only freaking test train? Are you freaking kidding me, are you? Dude, Australia. Don't forget you have an XPT, which is only run on diesel, the most fastest diesel on the earth. The most fastest diesel on the universe needs a pentagram. That's bullcrap. I mean, yes, I have saw, I actually have saw a, how do I say it? How do I say this? I actually saw. Ah, crap. Yeah, speaking of the locomotives, I actually saw one of the freight trains in one of my Melbourne adventures. When I was in the aquarium, when I was outside, and it was the freaking freight train 2 times. One is at the aquarium, once is at a tram.
Aboard!
Back to Basley. Alright. See? I just know it. We're going back. Okay, come on. What the? We aren't supposed to... Reverse? Much better. I was like, wait, why did we why did we black out? And it's sort of like, oh, we're retraining, but the train didn't switch. And then we thought like, oh my god, are we going straight out there? And then just die? Holy crap. It's ridiculous, you know? Where's the salad anyways? Oh my god, are these dirty water? Ew! These are sewer waters in Hong Kong, let me tell you. It's disgusting and smelly, and you do not want to smell them. It's ridiculous. The smell is absolutely ridiculous. Where's the Amtrak? Amtrak? Oh, right. Oh, right, Trainz have deleted them. Oh, crap. How dare you delete an Amtrak, eh? How dare you? Like, Trainz, can you at least actually... Oh, right, by the way. I actually saw... Oh, finally, I remember. I actually saw the XPT Trainz ad, which on YouTube there's only one video. One. XPT. In Trainz ad. Are you bloody joking me? Like, there's no freaking way. Just no way. I'm not sure it's not a skin or what, but I really want that XPT. So I can, it can actually be working on the, on the Australia maps, maybe, I don't know. But dude, Trainz, make an XPT. Or maybe a original train, or a Melbourne, metro train. Come on, make something. Because the players won't, people will buy trains, but people will buy trains that don't even like it if you just not gonna add some new trains, except British locomotives. You gotta add some Australia, bro. You need to add some Australian locomotives. Holy crap. Stopping in the right place. Ooh. Oh, by the way, let me tell you, when I was in the aquarium, I saw the freight train. These kind of trains are not in the fleet, but well, there's one, like the locomotive I'm actually driving, but this the head and the rear and the front and the rear is actually the same head, and then just helping another locomotive out using using electricity power. The first one is actually using diesel. It is so gorgeous, and if I remember correctly, the livery of that diesel is not... Where's the freight train? Train set! You deleted again? Holy crap, you're just deleting train every single day.
Oh boy!
Okay, I can only just tell you something. It is a red, white, and yellow. I think it's that kind of like a livery. Trainz does have this kind of livery too, I guess. I think no. Yeah, no. I think that Trainz doesn't have this livery at all. Ugh. get in the cab and just look. It's just barely the same cab, you know, in the Americans and Australia. If you use these, it will be in different places. If you are, if you'll be using this locomotive here, we are driving on the left side. But if it's British, if it's American, I think we're driving on the right side. If I remember correctly, yeah, I think we're driving at the right side. You know, like over there. Freight train. And let me tell you, like when I saw that freight train in Melbourne, it is so long that I have no time but to just go on because I'm on tour. I can't stop, I just can't stop. Like the whole team, the whole team is gonna just kick me out, So I gotta keep up. I can't just get distracted by trains. Well, I can actually get hype if I saw trains. Well, sorta. Hey, and also, guys, have you seen these coaches before in real life? If you guys live in Australia, leave a comment below if you guys actually ride these coaches before, and even see these coaches, because I'm not sure why, but these coaches are really rare to see. Even though like Trainz had, if you didn't just Trainz had, you can at least add a little interior just for these paper trains. No, it's just so bad. If you don't add them, it's so bad. Place. Guys, I'm really sorry that I actually just quiet for a few seconds ago because I like this quiet. Oh my god, it's so quiet, man. Oh, also, to people that is living in Hong Kong, right now, this video is uploaded. Right now, my around temperature that's lowered to like 50 degrees. Is it? Right now it's getting much more colder. So guys, I suggest you, if you people who is coming to Hong Kong, people who is living in Hong Kong, make sure to please put some jackets on, having some long sleeves. Just take yourself a really warm, because it's gonna getting much more colder. So I hope you guys can take care of yourself, to not get sick, not to get a cold, not to get a sickness. Just take care of the body, man. It's getting more colder and colder. Wear some jackets, bro. Wear some jackets. I highly suggest. For me, I don't even need jackets. Why? Because I actually get used to the weather in Australia. I mean Melbourne, not Australia. Melbourne and New Zealand. So I'm okay. Any cold just come to me. I can accept it. I just do it with no shirt. Well, yes, I do need some shirts on. Well, just no jacket, I guess. Hey. I'm relating 1 minute to crap. Too slow. Oh my god, please do not. I hate that when we are going too slow, man. Oh, by the way, Trainz, there's one more thing I want to ask you. Can you please make a Korean map? please. You know, with the KTX and with the Korean regional trains and commuter trains, maybe. Since this is your stuff, kind of. My mom just actually just knocked on the door. Maybe I should have like having a double upload Trainz that. Why not? Because you guys like Trainz a lot. Hey. Maybe you guys like Trainz that, just tell me. I can help you. You know, I can actually record some more videos about Trainz set, because like right now. You know, do some scenarios, having some relaxing trains, you know? Maybe actually one day, maybe I should, you know, maybe next episode I should actually drive a train. I could drive a steam train. Ooh. This is a really, really beautiful locomotive. I got the details on the cow catchers and the coupling. But I don't know why, but I really don't know how to draw the coupling for some reason. Like this one. You know, the automatic coupling. I don't know how to draw that, so rip. Oh my god, I still hate that Trainz actually pranked me. Like saying that I stole your money but just give it back. Dude, this is not April Fool's, mate. This is not April Fool's yet.
Oh boy!
Okay, let's go. Finally, our shifts are done. Oh, it's another hotel. I wonder how does Australia, I wonder how does Australia and Melbourne's hotel looks like, feels like, or maybe. Because that would be really awesome. I love, you know, people love living in hotels rather than just, freaking living in host families. Well, unless if you even have enough money to even buy yourself a freaking hotel room, then duh. Unless if you have enough money just for helping yourself buying. Oh my god, I noticed. There's a kangaroo! There's a mean little kangaroo, hello! Oh my god, Tracy, did you make this? Holy crap, it's amazing! Hello? I never noticed there's a freaking kangaroo at the very start. So cool. I mean, yeah, Australia and Melbourne is famous with this kangaroos. And maybe sheep, since there's a lot of sheeps. Oh, by the way, fun fact, if you put a lot of sheeps in your one on the map at the very same place, one of the blocks will be getting so lagged. You can't see sheep at all. Because when I was doing the Bull Express, yes, the goats is actually using the sheeps, which is kind of ridiculous that I can't see them even. But I just realized. Oh no, man! I thought that the pantograph appeared to there. It's gone. Just my imagination. It's okay. So after that, I will tell you something, one more thing about Australia for the train setup. There's one thing that I don't even like at all. Maybe never ever doing for a train set episode. I really don't get it that why does this place have a station? There's no houses near anywhere. I don't get it. It's just a little abandoned station. I don't get it. Oh crap, we're gonna overshot. There's no way that we... No way. Don't you dare. We stopped at just the right platform. What the... Oh my god. I can't believe we actually stopped at the freaking right at the second platform. Holy crap. Okay. Okay. Oh god, that's kind of fast, I guess. Okay, so I'm gonna show you this map. It says a Razorback Classic Mobile. It's the Razorback Railway. Let me tell you, it's a complete nightmare to play this map. Check it out. Check this out. This drive a local train starting in North Green to Hill Valley, calling it at all station again. Holy crap! And let me tell you. Let me tell you, this is 40 minutes, right? Well, I tried a little bit, I guess. I forgot, what's the ending? I forgot. You know what, I'm gonna delete it. Just in case. So, you know, I'm gonna restart it with you guys. This is the Desert Express. Yeah, hold on. So, this is the Desert Express. This is 45 minutes, right? So, it's a thing since a freight train. I mean, it's just a normal freight train, you know? And Harbor one. Look at how long it is. 1 hour. Dude, can you even imagine how long it took? That's ridiculous. Hold on, you know what? Hold on, I'm gonna load the volume. Dude, this is ridiculous. Just look at how 1 hour. And why didn't you take the freaking Melbourne now with the metro? And this is Razorback Express. This is even longer than the Harbour Run Express. This is having a 1 hour and 15 minutes. Can you take that long for a YouTube video? Dude, for my Pokemon Sun and Moon, you know, sometimes my Pokemon X and Y and Sun and Moon videos, sometimes, yes, it did have 1 hour, but not this long. Not freaking 1 hour, so, well, so that's it today. Well, yep, maybe today, maybe that's it. So maybe next time I am gonna do, oh, by the way, yes, it's completed. It's complete. I did it. Maybe next time to drive a... Oh yeah, why not? Let's actually drive something here. Yeah, maybe we should actually do some regional trains, maybe, you know, in TGV stuff. Maybe we should, who knows? Maybe some future maps, maybe future stuff. I'm not sure what we're gonna do. That market is a small map, so I really don't even... Oh my god, this is a really hard map. Well, I'm guessing that is kind of easy, I guess, so... Yeah, you know what, maybe we should do some market, Easter, I don't know. I mean, who who knows what we're gonna do today, what we're gonna do tomorrow, next episode, who knows, I really don't know, you know. So, yep, that's it, guys, and hope you guys will enjoy the video. Yeah, you know what, maybe we should do a Harvest Hunter next time. So, yep, guys, thank you all so much for watching this video, guys. We hope you enjoyed. Be sure to please do it right if you really like Trainz. And if you are new to this channel, if you want some more videos, then make sure to click subscribe and turn on notification bell to never ever miss off any of my videos. And comment down below what kind of game you want me to play or what kind of scenario you want me to play. Just say it, I can accept. I love comments, you know. So just comment down below any comments, I would like it, so I'll be happy. So see you all in the next episode then. We just wait. Signing off. Peace out and goodbye. Good night, guys. Have a nice day.